Hey everyone, Adam here. Really excited to be back with you here on YouTube. As you can see, we have a new studio set up, different outfit, a little bit different style. Definitely going to be different going forward, and there's also a reason why we're making it different is we're going to be working towards different content. One of the main things that we're going to be working towards in the future is not necessarily on YouTube, but we're working towards content creation and course creation as well. And that's going to be something that's pretty important for us going forward. This past year has been an experiment with YouTube to test out the production side, the editing side, the YouTube side, see if we can start creating content that is digestible, but yet informational, right? And that's something that's still very passionate, that I have a passion for, although I will admit it hasn't necessarily been as easy or as rewarding in many ways as I was hoping, but we are making steady progress. We are growing here, and it allowed us to see things from a different perspective, much more on the flip side, not necessarily what you see, but what is behind the scenes here, and what we can do, what we can't do, where we're good, what niche we want to focus on. And we've come down to the fact that a lot of the strength revolves around my background, which is coming from the digital creative agency world. And one of the things that I'll be doing, we have some things in the works, but one of our main products that we do on that side is actually for membership related websites or portals. And the focus will be going forward is we're actually focusing more on YouTube and content creators and experts in their fields to be able to help them create content or courses, whether that's just the video portion or integrating that into our platform so that we're able to offer a fairly easy to set up, customized portal that works great and is easy to manage and pretty much is easy to manage as a website, right? And you can go forward and be able to offer a one-time course or subscription-based membership to access content behind a paywall. Those are the items that we're looking forward to talking more about. And I kind of want to introduce that to you because I've been in this world for a little while. Did YouTube as an experiment for myself to be able to see it and test it. And also for me to be able to work with other YouTubers, to be able to help them on their websites, to help them with their content in their courses, and be able to see how we can grow this and leverage that, especially their audience and their level of growth, to be able to work that into a sustainable recurring income or a course creation mindset that allows them to be able to make more money, but also provide more value to their customers, but really their audience, right? So that's something that's incredibly passionate. I'm very passionate about, and I really wanted to talk through this today and kind of share some of the things that I'm working towards and what I want to do. And maybe it applies for you. Maybe you're a YouTuber and you have a bit of an audience and you're thinking about how do you make more money? How do you make this sustainable? How do you develop that beyond ad revenue? This is something that will be critical in your growth as not just a content creator, but as an entrepreneur, to be able to support something and grow it beyond hopefully yourself, right? So what we're going to be doing in this next couple of videos is talking about digital products and how to leverage them and grow that with your audience. Talking about the subscription model versus one-time course payment model, and then talking about the technology behind that, and ending that with some general thoughts and wrap up around how you can do that sustainably and provide excellent value to your audience. And before I jump into those other videos and go into that, I just want to say thank you for subscribing. I'm very appreciative of the audience that we have and the comments and the feedback that we've been getting. Please don't hesitate to share, to comment, to like the videos if you truly do like them. As we develop this and as we grow, this is helping us learn and grow so we can help influence and help others grow as well. So thank you very much for your time. I truly appreciate it. And one of the last things, as you know, I want to say is don't forget to grow as you go.